Hello, craft heroes! Here's what the wings of the bee doll look like. Now let's crochet this section together using white yarn. For round 1, we need to work 5 chain stitches. 3 single crochet from the second stitch from hook. 3 single crochet in 1 stitch. 2 single crochet, 1 increase 10 stitches in total. Now, left palm facing, you hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. Wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the yarn tail facing, you hold on the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Put your hook under the yarn with the tip of the hook facing you. Rotate hook from bottom to top to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Pull tight. So we got 1 slip knot. Next, we need to work 5 chain stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch. Repeat with 4 more chain stitches. Finished 5 chain stitches. This is the first chain stitch from hook. This is the second chain stitch. Insert hook back into the second stitch from hook and work 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. The second single crochet. Three, and work 3 single crochet in 1 stitch. The first single crochet, the second single crochet in the same stitch, and the third single crochet again at the same stitch. While working on this, also turn the piece so that the other side is facing up. Finish 3 single crochet in 1 stitch. Continue with 2 single crochet next. Next, we need to work 2 single crochet in the next stitch to make 1 increase. 2 single crochet in 1 stitch equals 1 increase. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch, yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop so we have finished round 1. The slip stitch at the end of the round is just for joining. It does not count as a stitch. Please do not include it when counting your stitches. We can count the stitches together, started from the marking stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For round 2, we need to work 1 increase, 2 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet increase, 2 half double crochet, 2 increase, 16 stitches in total. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. The beginning chain of each round is worked to achieve the height of the next round. It does not count as a stitch. Please do not include it when counting your stitches. Insert hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Insert hook into the same stitch and work another single crochet. 2 single crochet in the same stitch equal 1 increase. So now we got 1 increase seated stitches. Continue with 2 half double crochet. Next, yarn over and insert hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull it through the 3 loops on hook. So this is 1 half double crochet. The second half double crochet finished 2 half double crochet and work 3 half double crochet increase. For the first half double crochet increase, work 1 half double crochet first and work the second half double crochet in the same stitch to complete 1 half double crochet increase. Got 1 half double crochet increase? See 2 stitches. For the second half double crochet increase, work 1 half double crochet first and work the second half double crochet in the same stitch to complete 1 half double crochet increase. For the third half double crochet increase, work 1 half double crochet first and work the second half double crochet in the same stitch to complete 1 half double crochet increase. Finish 3 half double crochet increase. Continue with 2 half double crochet. Next, yarn over and insert hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. See 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull it through the 3 loops on hook. The second half double crochet. Finish 2 half double crochet and work to increase next. For the first increase, work 1 single crochet first. 2 single crochet in 1 stitch equals 1 increase. Got 1 increase. See 2 stitches. The second increase. 2 single crochet in 1 stitch equals 1 increase. This is the slip stitch, this is the chain stitch. The beginning chain and slip stitch at the end of each round are just for transitioning. Don't count them as stitches. So we need to skip these 2 stitches and insert hook into the marking stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Finished round 2. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave an 8-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Now we have finished 1 wing piece of bee doll. We need to crochet another wing piece in the same way. Now we have finished the wings of bee doll.